If you are a beginner and you want to learn English fast, then in this video I am going to provide you some of the tips that would be very useful to you. Okay, so try to watch the video till the end so that you would get to know some of the tips that would make you to learn English faster. I have followed these tips personally, and I am suggesting you to follow these to help you. Hi, Namaste. I am Gowthami. Welcome back to my channel. The first tip that I would suggest you when you are a beginner is that start speaking early in the morning as soon as you wake up. Yes, friends, as soon as you wake up, when you start speaking, your throat is going to get activated, right? Your tongue and your mouth muscles will get habituated to that particular language. And not only that, your ears will be tuned because early in the morning, whatever you are going to listen, it will get registered in your brain the whole day. For example, you have listened to one of your favorite song early in the morning, the whole day you are going to hum the same song because your brain started its function with that particular song, and it is going to make you remember that song till night. In the same way, if you start speaking early in the morning, you are going to listen English and listen the words that came out from your own mouth. You are going to listen the sentences that you have scripted, right? So your brain registers it, and the whole day you will be able to speak English more easily. The second thing that you can try for yourself is narrating your day. Each and every day, try to narrate what had happened the whole day. Okay, it will improve your vocabulary day by day. In this way, you will be able to describe the incidents that had happened in your life, which is really essential. If you want to speak English fluently, the first thing that you need to understand is that you must be able to communicate your thoughts easily, right? The other person must be able to understand what you want to say, what are your feelings, what are your emotions. They must be able to understand. Narrating your day each and every day will help you a lot because each day is different. None of the 2 days are same, right? So pick up one interesting incident that happened in your whole day each and every day and try to describe that incident. At the initial stages, if it is tough for you to speak spontaneously, first of all, script it, write it, write that particular incident in your own words. Try to improve your vocabulary. Try to include the new words that you have learned in that particular week. Okay, and then try to say it without seeing. In this way, you will come to know how to articulate your thoughts. Okay, you need to know how to articulate your thoughts. If you want to speak English in public places, if you want to become a public speaker, then you must know how to articulate your thoughts. You may not become a public speaker, but even if you want to communicate your idea clearly to the other person, you need to know how to articulate your words, right? So, narrating your day each and every day will train your brain how to articulate your thoughts. Coming to the third tip is that try to immerse yourself in English, which is truly essential. Okay, try to think in English each and every time. Thinking is truly essential. You need to stop the process of translation and you need to think in your target language. For example, right now I am speaking in English. I am making a video. Okay, next I am going to edit the video. I will upload the video today. today evening. In this way, you need to think, what are you doing now, what will you do next, or what did you do till now. You need to think the actions that you are doing, that you have did in the past, or that you will do in the future. Regular thinking is like an exercise to your brain. You do exercise to stay fit, right? In the same way, if you want to speak English fluently and if you want your brain to support you, then you need to do exercise. And the name of that exercise is thinking in English. The next tip that would be very useful to you is to join groups, join Facebook groups, or join community groups. Okay, join some of the groups and try to be active. Okay, when you join with a group of people who are sailing on the same ship with you, then it will be easy to you because you can exchange your ideas. You will come to know a little bit more about the thing that you are learning, and not only that, you can suggest the things that you know, right? In this way, try to come in contact with real people. Okay, the more you exchange your ideas in English, your thoughts in English with real people, with real persons, the more you are going to gain. Okay, never be afraid, never be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are truly common. Okay, no one is perfect. When you are a beginner, it is essential, highly essential, and it is highly important that you are focusing only on learning, only on speaking. Okay, try not to focus on perfection. If you focus on perfection, then it will be truly difficult to you to gain fluency. If you want to speak English fluently, make sure that you are not focusing too much on grammar. English is a very vast thing, right? You can't focus on all the aspects of English like grammar, structures, pronunciation, all at the same time, vocabulary, right? So, what you need to do is that first of all, start speaking with whatever you have, whatever input you have inside your brain. Try to use it and do the production activities regularly. And with the time, you can add vocabulary, rectify your pronunciation mistakes, learn more grammar rules, or learn more structure formations. In this way, you need to learn a language. You need to plan accordingly. Without a particular plan, it will be a little bit hard thing to achieve. Okay, so never be afraid of making mistakes and try to share your views and opinions in the groups that you are joining. Please be kind to share this video also if you like in that particular group. The next tip I would give you, and I want you to use 100%, is that try to use Gemini or ChatGPT. I don't use Gemini a lot, but I use ChatGPT a lot. Nowadays, it is playing a lion's share in improving my English speaking skills. It may be pronunciation, it may be vocabulary, or it may be my sentence formations. All these I am taking the help of ChatGPT. Each and every day I am speaking, I am making conversations with ChatGPT. It will be truly helpful. Trust me, you will see insane results. Yes, friends, try this. Try to use ChatGPT for the purpose of improving your English speaking skills right from the beginning of your journey. When I started this journey, then there was no ChatGPT. But now you have an opportunity to use it, right? If you don't know how I practice conversations with ChatGPT, here I am going to provide the link of that particular video in the iCard. Please check out. So, these are some of the tips I would suggest you to follow if you are a beginner. See, each and every person starts from the first step itself. Don't feel that you are not able to speak English fluently. Trust the process and you will be able to speak English fluently, definitely. Thank you so much for joining the video till the end. If you find this video useful, please click that like button, and not only that, consider subscribing my channel if you are new. Hope you will watch the video that I posted in the end screens.